So I'm Catherine and I live in Brisbane with my husband and our 3 young children. We bought our house here, must be nearly 10 years ago. When we came to the first open home, we loved everything about the outside of the home and the position, but there was just so much that we thought we could do with inside to make it more livable for a Brisbane family. And we sat on that for about 8.5 years, thinking about when will be the right time. Life's busy, we've never renovated before. And then finally, the kids got a bit older and we thought, now's the time. We got some quotes and we ended up engaging Mike from Linear Constructions. First of all, he's just a really genuine person and we trusted him, and he was able to manage the project from end to end. It was a really positive process. We'd heard so many negative horror stories about engaging builders, and that was not our experience at all. As first-time inexperienced renovators, the communication was excellent, time management, budget management, our expectations were managed the whole way through, and we felt like we could really trust Mike and the whole team from Linear. It's gone from a magnificent home with no access to our back area to the kitchen and the living that you can probably see behind me is really the heart and soul of the home. We can have our 3 children in the pool. I can be entertaining, hanging out with my friends, cooking, and it just hums in this beautiful, warm, vibrant space. Before, we barely used the backyard. The kids never used the pool. People didn't even know we had a pool. And now this area is the heart and soul of the home. So our livability as a family and as people who love to entertain and have a good time has just increased dramatically. So yeah, we just love this space. Whether you're a first-time renovator or builder, or you're someone who's perhaps a bit more experienced, just that end-to-end support, communication, and such a high-quality product at the end of it. His contacts in all the different industries and trades, he's contemporary, really innovative, and absolutely recommend. And the best thing, we're in on time, we're in on budget, and the actual end quality work has well surpassed our expectations.